Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I'm going to redesign my Shopify store using only voice prompts with Shopify Sidekick. Instead of searching settings manually, I will simply ask Sidekick what to improve and redesign the store step by step. So let's see how much better the store look after this makeover. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First here we can click on Sidekick. Here I am using voice method. So click on it. Now it is connecting. Hello.
It's currently 5:39 p.m. in your time zone. Is there anything else I can help with?
How can I improve my fashion store homepage to look more modern?
To make your fashion store homepage look more modern, you should use high quality images, ensure your branding's clear, and keep the layout clean and easy to navigate. Featuring key products or using a modern theme can also help.
Okay, what kind of homepage banner should I use for my store?
You can use hero images that represent your products well, feature promotional messaging about sales or payment options, or highlight key collections. High resolution images are definitely key.
Okay, suggest premium colors for my fashion store, please.
For a premium fashion store, you might consider. I didn't quite catch that. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, let me do the things. Okay, now we can check what it's give. Using high quality images, clear branding, and green layout for your homepage. So apply it on my store, please, or suggest many ideas using above. Then click on enter. Now it will suggest. So add a high quality image and hero banner, color screen, future product, etc. So give step by step. So here it gives set premium color, add a home hero banner, feature key products, etc. So that we can go to the online store. Then click on editing. Here we can ask to change our banner image. What? Oh, image for me. Store. Okay, it's saying use your own product image or go to here. So here we can change the image, select from library, then click on this, the content. Okay, now it has been changed. Now ask to change paragraph text. Also make it more attractive. Okay, now we can see it has been changed, the heading and the button. So now let's ask by voice method, like, hello.
Hello.
Write a simple announcement bar for my fashion store, please.
The theme editor? You
Yeah.
can easily add an announcement bar right in the theme editor. You can. Great. Once you're in that section, you can add your text and even link it to a page. Let me know if you want suggestions for the text.
Yeah, I need.
How about something like elevate your style, shop our new arrivals, or maybe limited times offer, free shipping worldwide. You could even link it to your sales page.
Okay, let me do that.
Sounds good. Let me know if you have any other questions as you customize.
Yeah, I will come later.
Ending the call for us now. Take care.
Okay, now we can do the announcement bar, click on it. And here we can add another announcement. I click on announcement. Now we can change this to limited time offer, like this. Then click on enter. Now we can see it will appear here. Okay, it has been updated now. Limited time offer. So that's good. Now we can ask to make the product page look better. So click on Sidekick, then click on voice. How it is connecting.
Hi, this is Sidekick. Your hero banner text has been updated to something bold and fashion forward. Is there anything else I can help with?
How can I make my product page look better?
You can make your product page look better by using high quality photos and videos, writing clear descriptions that highlight your product's features, and adding customer reviews. Is there a specific area you want to focus on?
Okay, I will do it and come later. Bye.
I'm ending the call for us now. Goodbye.
Okay, now we can go to the product section and here we can make any changes, like click on it. Then here in this product description, we can ask to change the description. Click enter. Now it is generating. Yeah, it has been changed now. Okay, here we can add the quantity. Click on quantity. So it is a button. So here in this is the product image. We can, okay, we make no gap, so developing top. We can set the padding, like change it. Here we can change. the product title. Change the title better. Click enter. Now let's see. Yeah, it has been changed, but yeah, it's changed. Okay, now we know how to change to improve the product section. So next we can ask to review our page. So then click on voice.
Hello, this is Sidekick. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Review my homepage and suggest final improvements, please. Okay, first.
I've navigated to your homepage preview so you can review the changes. We thought. Perfect. I'm ending the call for us now. Take care.
Okay, let me ask again. Hello. We can ask once more. Yes. Yes. We would hope me refresh this. Okay, then can ask.
Hello, Sidekick here. How can I help you manage your story day?
Please review my homepage and suggest final improvements.
To make your homepage more effective, focus on using high quality images, clearly communicating your brand, and featuring your key products. It's also great to include clear policies and customer reviews for building trust.
Okay. Anything more?
You could also consider adding sections for featured products or a blog section to engage customers. Is there a specific area you'd like to work on?
No, no, let me do this first.
Sounds good. I'm ending the call for us now. Take care.
So it's suggested to make the high quality images, clearly communicating your brand, feature key product, adding customer review and clear policies. So it also suggesting like adding future product section or blog to engage customer. So that's it. Honestly, this was much easier than searching tutorial before Sidekick gives quick design ideas and help improve the store step by step. So also instead of typing and ask you, can use a voice method in Sidekick like that I do. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.